po? Paano po mag-open pag ano?
Bilis yan, sakay na.
Service nga lang pala namin ay Land Cruiser, guys. Prado Land Cruiser, Kakadi. Ready? Ma, marunong ka magbaba? Yung nasa itaas. Oo. Bye-bye, Lola. Sunod kayo, ha? Wow, automatic. Itagasara kami ng gate.
Yung likod yung garage.
Kulitin si Mike.
Gusto sa mama.
Sabi si
Hindi.
Si Dad.
Kaya yung paulit-ulit kay Ate Grace, iwan.
Baka pupunta kayo. Baka, oh. Sama kayo? Si ano, si Cassie. Sama ba kayo? Tayo na pinata.
Bye-bye ka na kay Lola. Bye-bye. Yan na, bye-bye kay Lola.
Pinatatagal mo ang fishing ko.
Wow.
Ang iway sa baro. Seat belt.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Yes, it is.
Yung Rose Garden.
Oh, that's where we park tourism.
No dogs.
No dogs at all.
Oh, Russell, bawal ka.
Ang lalaki oh.
Hindi ako
Pantay
dog.
na pantay oh. Rose Garden.
Bawal ka, Russell.
Rose Garden tsaka The Mansion.
Russell, bawal ka.
Dito lang? Wala pa.
Kuha na lang yung soup, pero parang 5 minutes
Si Rihanna, bawal.
Bawal ba si Rihanna dyan sa soup? Rihanna, bawal ka, hindi ka bababa.
Si Russell.
Wala pala si Rihanna, dito lang kasama pala umuwi eh. Allah, uuwi ka na rin?
Si Russell, bawal. Pete.
Ay anak saan yung ano, yung hindi ba may sinasakay makikita yung mga ano?
Yun nga, sa pari.
Yung ba yung sa makakalapit mo yung rhinoceros? Hindi nga. Sige, parang may napuntan din kami. Hindi ko alam kung dito, kung
Giraffe car park. Hey.
Iba baba pa yung
Oh my God! Yes. Tata is right. What? It's so cold in here. Yes, it feels like.
Thank you. Ito, may wifi ako. Doon sa bahay.
Wow, first animal, reindeer.
Doon. Tatay.
Saan mo na? Eh, di ba doon muna tayo sa safari?
Ayun nga, binasa mo.
Your phone first. Picture natin yung drone. Our first animal is see. That's a crow. That's a duck. There's the crow.
Anong duck?
Oo.
Duck yan? Ay, Russell.
Parang, I feel yung nang-get ako ng bad luck.
Bakit?
Nang look ako sa crow or
No,
sa
that's not true.
Sa duck.
No, that's not true.
Bakit? Kalapit mo.
God say.
Forma ko ba?
Ano?
Forma.
Forma? Oo, parang kang galing Dubai. Dito sa Paris Station. This way.
Cheetah.
Dito.
The forest dito.
Chikahay. Parang di ako sanay na wala akong susi sa ganito.
What's that?
That's the voodoo.
I think that's a
Ay, duck.
and a flamingo.
Ano ba yun?
Meron nga. Ayan na, Raiko.
It's the magpie.
What's that?
It's a magpie.
Magpie?
Russell? It's saucy. It's saucy.
Sasu. Ang sa...
In the same magpie. Actually, that's not the same magpie I saw.
Ito, ba't lumalayo pa?
Gorilla.
May tiglawat yung
Smile
gorilla.
ka, B. 1, 2, 3.
Hazel,
What's the gorilla?
That.
ito ka nga.
Huge.
Hazel,
There were 3 gorillas. Yaki,
Let's go to
Wataba,
the
and
other place.
Kanyeka. Huh?
ano, check natin yung other place.
Yeah, let's check the others. Grandpa, what is your father teacher?
Let's check the other animals.
Grandpa, what is their father teacher elder?
Oh my.
So important.
Let's check on this one. Let's check. Where's the view of the gorillas here?
I saw one more.
Oh,
I saw one more.
where's 3? Where's 3? Where's 3?
Ang cute ah. Hi.
That's not a blue jay.
Ayan na, lumalapit
Blue
siya.
jay's out of trap.
Can I get you one?
Hindi naman lalapit sa yan.
I'm cute yun.
If only we had.
Let's go.
If only we were the bird drowned.
Where are we going now?
What is it? This way. This way. This
What
way.
is that? Oh, it's a cheetah. This way. This way.
Spotted cheetah.
And hippos.
Wait. Stop.
Why?
Magdi-decide muna tayo. Saan tayo? Magdi-decide
Oh,
muna.
there's the cheetah.
Hindi, hipo to.
Ayun oh.
Ay, doon tayo sa cheetah. Ay.
Go this way na.
Why are you cheating?
Iit ka mo. Ganda ng cactus.
What's that, Russell?
Anay, look!
What? Oh, there's the safari ride.
Ako nakita collection of animals.
Ah, are you safe?
No, this is also not safe.
Helicopter.
All around. And we saw the oryx. Oryx? Not.
Wait, how do you know where this is the...
Oh, right. It's nice.
Ayun na live.
So, ah!
Ayun yung cheetah. Raiko, ito na oh.
Look at the cheetah.
Raiko, look at the cheetah.
It's not even looking.
Call mo. Cheetah, cheetah. Hybrid malunggay oh. Laki ng thumb ko yung ano. Yung dahon no. Yung dalang malunggay sa Pilipinas, gan.
Malunggay ba?
Sinlaki ng thumb ko.
The same one.
Oh, Raiko. Tingnan mo malunggay, Raiko. Sinlaki ng thumb ko.
Oh my. I think that's not malunggay.
Malunggay ba yan?
Malunggay.
Right.
Yes,
What's that?
baka puro cut ito. Oh. Meron ba? Where? Saan? Wala dyan, wala.
Go, go, go.
Bears are getting eaten. Oh no, bears are gonna get in trouble.
That is an explorer.
Ayan.
This way.
Dead end.
No.
Yeah.
Ako na maghahawa ka rin.
Take a nap indoors.
Nothing in here.
Not inside. Ayun ang mga cat. Oh, Lion King. Si Lion King, oh. Ganyan-ganyan ang tsura ng likod ko, eh.
It's a hippo.
Di ba pag minamassage mo ako, Rihanna, nag-step ka sa back ko. Kita mo dyan?
This is cheetah?
Ayan, cheetah. Chitae. Chitae, ganda lalaki. Mamatay ka.
Tayo na, tatay ko.
Where are we going, kuya?
Actually, Grego, we're not how close to lion.
Parang Baguio yun. Ganito weather sa
It
Baguio.
says
Ang init nga eh.
we're here.
Ba? Tingnan mo ang Ford mo. Sayang naman kung sasabihin mo mainit.
Ang init galing kang Dubai.
Yes.
Yan. Ay, layon. Ayun o.
Oh, so we were close to the lion. I am so scared.
Buhati mo si Rihanna.
One, two, three, jump.
Ah, the lion. So, and there's a little bit of cheetah. Manito, picture natin.
Yeah.
You see that? That's a lion. How about that one? Oh,
Can you see? Parang hindi naman. Yeah.
there's a lion.
Can I borrow the map? Can I have the map?
Okay.
Oh, we're close to the orange belly parrot.
When we're here again, Australia.
You're coming back here?
We are not.
What's inside?
Ayun, nakalok na sa inyo. Ayun. Ayun, dali. Ayun.
Wow.
Oo.
Wow, look at that.
True.
Exhibits to join.
Tanong na.
Picture mo sila.
Palayo.
Hey!
Kuri mo.
Raika.
First animal. So little crow. Why are there lots of crows here in Australia? Bruh. Next time. That's you. The one in the
That's
you're
me.
climbing it and
Sabi
I'm
mo.
climbing
That's me.
That's my cousin.
No.
That's me. You see that? Anong pinapakita mo? Di ba?
Nana.
Train them while they are young vloggers.
place to be.
Let's go, guys.
Where? Oh, damn.
Diyan nagpa-practice ang monkey.
Huh?
Kami lang.
Come on.